In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make tabs on Wix. Whether you're setting up a website for the first time or enhancing an existing one, tabs can be a great way to organize content efficiently and in a visually appealing manner. So let's dive in and explore how you can add this feature quickly to your Wix site. First, you'll want to navigate to the Wix website editor. Open your browser and head to the Wix editor for your particular site. If you haven't done this before, you simply log into your Wix account, go to My Sites, select the one you're working on and click Edit Site. Once you're in the editor, you'll notice on the left hand side there's a vertical menu filled with options to customize your website. Next, look for the Add button, represented by a plus icon. When you click on this, a whole range of elements pop up that you can add to your site. Scroll through them until you see Box. Boxes are versatile containers that help you build and organize the content area, and this will be the foundation for your tabs. Once you click on Box, the next step is finding the Tabs option. Tabs are basically dividers within your content that allow visitors to navigate easily between different sections without leaving the page. After clicking on Tabs, you'll see several templates available. Choose one that best fits your site's aesthetic and your usability needs. Whether you're going for something sleek and modern or traditional and robust, there's probably a template there for you. With your tab template selected, go ahead and add it to your page by clicking on it. But of course, you want these tabs to suit your specific content needs. That's where the Manage Tabs feature comes into play, which can be found by selecting the tab section that is now on your page. This option allows you to customize each tab structure in detail, including adding or removing tabs and naming them appropriately for your content. Once you've managed your tabs effectively, you might want the entire section to stretch across the full width of the screen for a more integrated look. This is done by selecting the stretch icon, usually found alongside the Elements menu toolbar. Clicking this icon offers you simple options, one of which is to stretch to full width. This option helps ensure the tabs are easily navigable on various devices, from desktops to mobiles. And there you have it, a clean, organized tabbed section on your Wix site that is both functional and attractive. Don't hesitate to experiment within the Wix editor. The more you practice, the more adept you'll become at creating exactly the look and feel you desire for your website. Thanks for tuning in today, and happy website building.